Hey everyone, and welcome back to Tyke Daily English, your gentle space to practice English through real-life conversations. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jake. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Before we start, we just want to say thank you. Truly.
Yes, the messages you send us, the little stories about your day, they mean more than you know.
When someone writes, I listen while cooking dinner, or I walk with this podcast every morning, it makes us feel like we're walking with you.
Like one big, quiet, global family. Different countries, different time zones, and probably different snacks.
Definitely different snacks.
And if you enjoy these episodes, you can like, subscribe, or share this podcast with one friend who is also learning English.
Because learning together always feels a little easier.
And if you're new here, this episode is B1 level. So if you're not a beginner, but not advanced either, you're in the right place.
And even if you feel like a strong beginner, don't worry. Just relax. Let the English wash over you.
We like slow, cozy English here, not fast, scary English.
Fast, scary English? No, thank you.
So, Anna, can I ask you something?
I'm a little scared, but okay.
Have you ever looked at someone's life on Instagram or social media and thought, wow, I am so late. I'm still trying to catch up.
Oh, totally. All the time.
Yeah?
You see weddings, new jobs, babies, perfect houses, and you're like, cool, I just learned how to fold my fitted bedsheet.
That is a real achievement, by the way.
Thank you. It took years. And you might be thinking, I'm late, and your friend buys an apartment, and you're still in your childhood bedroom with the same posters on the wall.
And you look around and think, wait, did I miss something?
Quiet. Honest. Am I late for my own life?
Empathetic. If you feel behind right now, in love, in money, in English, in life, this episode is for you.
Yes. Today we're talking about something many people feel, but don't always say out loud.
It's this idea. It's never too late to start over.
And not only big things like career or marriage,
But also small things. Your daily routine, your health, your confidence.
even your relationship with English.
We're also going to talk about that I'm late feeling.
That secret social clock in your head that says, at this age I must have this, at that age I must be that.
And we'll share some real stories from our own lives.
Times when we felt stuck, stagnant, like life was on pause.
Because we don't want this to feel like advice from far away.
We've been there too.
And later in this episode, we'll do a calm word tour.
We'll explain some useful words and phrases we use today, slowly with easy examples.
For now, you can just listen.
And feel the story.
If you want, you can already think about one simple question.
Slow, reflective. What is one area of your life where you would like to start over?
Even just a little bit.
Examples: your English, your work, your health, your confidence, your relationships.
Gentle. Any part of your life.
Smiling. No long answer needed.
Light. Even one word is okay.
You're here. You pressed play.
Affirming. You're listening with us right now.
Soft smile. That already counts as a tiny, fresh start.
Encouraging. So, let's walk through this together.
Okay, let's start with the heavy one.
Serious but calm. The I'm late feeling.
Quiet. That thought that says, everyone is ahead of me.
Describing. I need to catch up.
Imagery. It feels like life is a race, and somehow you started 10 minutes late.
Gentle humor. Or like you missed the starting gun because you were still tying your shoes.
Yes, exactly.
Reflective. I felt this strongly in my late 20s.
Yeah?
Honesty. All my friends were getting married, buying homes, getting real jobs.
And what were you doing?
Self-aware. Trying random jobs, eating cheap noodles, sleeping on a mattress on the floor.
Kind. But you were learning about yourself.
Pause. Then soft. At that time, I thought, I'm so behind. I'll never catch up.
And the funny thing is, we only see one part of other people's lives.
Agreeing. Their highlight reel.
Explaining. The happy photos, the nice apartment, the perfect couple picture.
Gentle. And we think, wow, their life is amazing. Mine is broken.
Calm. But the truth is, the grass isn't always greener on the other side.
Light humor. Sometimes the grass just has a good filter.
Or good editing.
Grounding. So if you feel late, remember this.
Slow, clear. You're not on their clock.
Firm but kind. You're on your clock.
Reassuring. And your clock is not broken.
Gentle. It's just different.
Soft transition. And maybe you're not thinking, I'm late.
Understanding. Maybe you're thinking, I'm stuck.
Quiet. Like you're in the same place year after year.
Describing. Work feels the same. Your room looks the same. Your thoughts sound the same.
Naming it. That's a good moment to use this word, stagnant.
Stagnant is a word we don't use every day, but it describes this feeling very well.
Yes, stagnant is like water that doesn't move.
When water is fresh, it flows. You can hear it. It feels alive.
But when water is stagnant, it just sits there.
And after some time, it can even start to smell bad.
Life can feel like that too. I had a year like this.
Yeah?
I was going to the same job every day, scrolling the same apps, eating the same food.
Nothing was really wrong.
But I felt empty, like my life was on pause,
Not broken.
just stagnant.
And here's the good news.
Stagnant water can move again.
You don't need to change your whole life in one day.
You just open one small door for movement.
You try a new class. You join a small group.
You start walking for 10 minutes in the evening.
Tiny things.
Tiny things that tell your brain, hey, we're not a pond.
We're a river.
We move.
But there's something else that makes many of us feel late or stuck.
The old dream.
The dream you had when you were 16 or 20.
When you told yourself, by 25, I will do this.
By 30, I will be that.
And now maybe you're 28, 35, 42.
And your life looks different.
And then you feel like you failed.
But maybe you didn't fail.
Maybe your old dream and your current self.
Are just misaligned.
Misaligned means they don't fit anymore.
It's like wearing shoes you loved in school.
But now your foot has grown 2 sizes.
You can force your foot inside,
But you'll suffer the whole day.
and you'll blame your feet.
Not the shoes.
I had this with my career.
Yeah?
I thought I should be a manager by a certain age.
And when you weren't?
I felt like a loser.
But did you ever ask yourself, do I even like that job?
No, not at first.
And when you did?
I realized I prefer creative work.
So the old dream,
Was misaligned with who I really am now.
and that's okay.
It's okay if yesterday's goals don't fit today's you.
That doesn't mean you're late.
It just means you're allowed to update the plan.
And this connects to something we all do.
Comparing chapters.
Chapter compare syndrome.
We look at someone in season 5 of their life.
And we judge ourselves while we're still in season 2.
It's like watching a Netflix show.
Yes.
You don't say, wow, the main character in episode 1 is so behind episode 10.
Because of course they are.
They haven't lived those episodes yet.
The story needs time.
Or think of a game.
Level 1, level 2, level 10.
You don't call yourself a failure because you're on level 3 and your friend is on level 7.
You're just in a different part of the game.
And again, the grass isn't always greener in someone else's chapter,
Maybe in their season 5 they have success.
but also more stress,
Maybe they have a nice house.
but no time to sleep.
Maybe they have a partner but still feel lonely inside.
So instead of asking, why am I not at their chapter?
You can ask something else. What is this chapter teaching me right now?
That question is kinder.
And much more useful.
And sometimes,
Sometimes the current chapter is just heavy.
not exciting, not shiny.
Bills, family problems, health issues.
Too much work,
or a quiet sadness you can't even explain.
In those seasons, the goal is not to win,
The goal is simply to keep your head above water.
just not drown.
Keeping your head above water doesn't look impressive.
There are no trophies for it,
No applause, no big celebration.
but it matters.
Survival is success.
Sometimes we hear people say, pull yourself together.
Yes, and that sentence can feel heavy.
It can sound like, stop feeling, be strong right now, be perfect.
That's a lot of pressure.
Instead, maybe we say,
Okay, I'm having a hard time.
I don't need to be perfect today.
I just need to take one small step.
One small step is still movement.
And in heavy times,
Movement is victory.
here's a quiet truth that gives me peace.
Yeah?
Life doesn't stay the same.
Even when it feels like it will never change.
Change is inevitable.
Inevitable means it will happen anyway.
Seasons don't ask for your permission.
Winter doesn't send an email and say, hi, is it okay if I come?
No, it just arrives.
And later, it leaves.
And spring comes, even if winter felt very long.
Our lives are like that too.
Jobs change. People move.
New ideas appear.
And we grow, even when we don't notice.
So starting over is not one big explosion.
It's more like slowly changing the direction of a ship.
1 degree today.
1 degree tomorrow.
And over time,
You're in a completely new place.
when things are hard, you can choose to work through them.
Not against them.
Work through the fear.
Work through the boredom.
Work through the sadness, little by little.
You don't have to like every step.
But every step is part of your new path.
So maybe you're asking,
Okay, but how do I actually start over?
what do I do on Monday?
We often think starting over means changing everything.
Quit the job. Move to another country. New haircut. New gym. New language.
All in 1 week.
And then we feel exhausted after day 1.
Because it's too much.
So instead,
Think about micro actions.
tiny actions that are so small.
Your fear doesn't scream.
If you want a new career,
Your micro action might be watching one video about that field.
or sending one message to one person who works in that area.
If you want better health,
Drink one more glass of water today.
or take a 10-minute walk after dinner.
And some days
You won't do it,
you'll feel tired
or sad,
or lazy.
and that's normal.
The important part is,
What you do next.
that's where bounce back comes in.
Bounce back like a ball,
It falls.
but it comes up again.
You miss one day.
Okay,
You start again the next day.
you have one bad week.
Okay,
You start again next week.
starting over is not one big moment.
It's many small bounce back moments.
And every time you come back,
You're telling yourself.
I still care about my life.
So if you're listening right now and thinking,
My life doesn't fit me anymore.
or
I feel late. I feel stuck. I feel left behind.
this is what we want you to remember.
It's never too late to start over.
In a small way.
You know, Jake, sometimes the hardest part is trusting yourself again.
Yes, after life disappoints us,
We start doubting our own choices.
we ask ourselves, can I really do this?
Can I really start again?
But here's something we often forget.
What's that?
You have survived every hard day before this one.
Every single one.
Even the days you thought would break you.
They didn't.
You are still here,
Still breathing.
still learning.
Still becoming.
Important message, starting over doesn't mean you failed before.
It means you learned something.
It means you're brave enough to choose better.
Think of life like a long road.
Sometimes you walk straight,
Sometimes you stop.
sometimes you take a wrong turn.
That doesn't mean the journey is over.
It just means you're human.
And humans adjust. So let's talk about something very simple.
Okay?
Your next 24 hours.
Not next year,
Not your whole life.
just tomorrow.
What is one small thing you can do that feels kind to you?
Sleep a little earlier.
Drink water when you wake up.
Write one honest sentence in a notebook.
These are not small things.
These are foundations.
Big changes are built on gentle habits.
And gentle habits build trust.
Trust with yourself.
You don't need to become a new person overnight.
You just need to become a little more honest,
A little more patient.
a little more kind to yourself.
Because healing,
Is not loud.
growth is not dramatic.
Most of the time, it's very quiet.
It looks like choosing rest.
It looks like saying no.
It looks like starting again without announcing it to the world.
Not everyone needs to understand your journey.
It's yours.
You're allowed to change quietly.
If you're listening right now,
And you feel lost
or behind,
or unsure.
you are not broken.
You are in progress.
And progress is beautiful.
So tonight,
Take a deep breath.
release the pressure to have everything figured out.
Tomorrow is another chance.
Starting over doesn't mean going back.
It means choosing forward.
One small step at a time. Pause.
Thank you for spending this quiet moment with us.
This was Tyke Daily English,
We'll meet again.
with more simple English and real-life conversations.
Until then, take care of yourself.